When it comes to enhancing your home's aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency, few elements are as impactful as a properly installed door. Whether you're upgrading to a stylish front entry door, replacing an aging patio door, or installing interior doors to improve your home's flow, selecting the right door installation service in Layton can make all the difference. Here's a guide to help you navigate this crucial decision and ensure that you hire a reliable and professional service provider. Define your needs and preferences before you start searching for a door installation service. Clarify your requirements. Consider the type of door you need. Are you looking for an exterior entry door, sliding glass doors, French doors, or interior doors? Each type may require different expertise, so knowing what you need will help you find a specialized installer. Additionally, think about your preferred materials: wood, steel, fiberglass, etc., style, color, and any other features like energy efficiency or smart locking systems. Look for experience and expertise when evaluating door installation services in Layton. Prioritize companies with a solid track record. Look for businesses that have been operating for several years and possess experience installing the type of door you require. Ask potential installers about their background, the number of similar projects they've completed, and any certifications or training they've undergone. Experienced professionals can handle potential challenges, such as custom fitting and ensuring proper insulation, with ease. Check reviews and references. Customer reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights into a company's reliability and quality of work. Browse online review platforms such as Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau to read about other customers' experiences. Be cautious of companies with consistently poor reviews or a lack of feedback. You can also ask the service provider for references from past clients in the Layton area and take the time to reach out to these customers. Ask about their satisfaction with the service, professionalism, and punctuality. Verify licensing and insurance. A trustworthy door installation service should be properly licensed and insured. Licensing ensures that the company adheres to local regulations and meets industry standards. Insurance is equally important. It protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the installation process. Before hiring, ask for proof of both. This step not only offers peace of mind but also reflects the service provider's commitment to professionalism and accountability. Request detailed quotes. Price is always a consideration, but it shouldn't be the only determining factor. When requesting quotes, make sure to get a detailed breakdown of the costs, including labor, materials, and any potential additional fees. Compare quotes from multiple companies, but be cautious of those that offer extremely low estimates. This may indicate subpar materials or rushed work. Opt for a service that provides a fair and transparent quote while balancing quality and affordability. Evaluate customer service and communication from your initial interaction with the company. Pay attention to their level of customer service. Are they courteous, responsive, and willing to answer your questions? Clear communication is vital throughout the installation process, from discussing your requirements to handling any issues that may arise. A reputable service provider will prioritize your satisfaction and ensure that you're informed at every stage. Inquire about warranties and aftercare services. A reliable door installation company will stand by its work and offer warranties for both labor and materials. This demonstrates their confidence in the quality of their services and their commitment to customer satisfaction. In addition to warranties, ask about aftercare services, such as maintenance tips or repair assistance. Knowing that your installer is willing to support you after the job is done adds significant value. Assess their range of services. Some companies offer additional services that may enhance your experience, such as custom door design, energy-efficient solutions, or assistance with permits. A comprehensive service provider can make the entire process more seamless and enjoyable, providing everything you need under one roof. Conclusion: choosing the right door installation service in Layton is crucial for the functionality, security, and appearance of your doors. By defining your needs, verifying credentials, seeking recommendations, and evaluating communication, you can make an informed decision that ensures a successful installation. Take the time to compare your options and select a service that aligns with your expectations, ultimately enhancing the comfort, safety, and value of your home.